I'm News Center Maine meteorologist Jason Nappy, tracking the latest on the next storm to come our way. Here's what you need to know. Wednesday night to Thursday morning, that's when the storm's going to peak. Heavy wet snow and some mixing, and there is a power outage threat with this storm because of the heavy wet snow and the wind. Here we go as we get into Wednesday night. Temperatures here mid-30s coastline. It's bring some mixing with that east wind coming off the Gulf of Maine. However, southwest interior, Carabasset Valley, the Oxford Hills, yes, the White Mountains in New Hampshire, and then eventually moving north and east as we get into your Thursday. That's when the storm is going to be pretty heavy. Now, as far as accumulations go, middle of the day, you're going to have a real tough time with that April sun angle to accumulate the snow. It's more like slush, unless you're under a band of very heavy snow, which there will be a few of those. And then into Friday, it is rain wrapping into the storm. So as far as the amounts go, 12 to 18 as you go into the Carabasset Valley, the Oxford Hills, the White Mountains. Elevation dependent too, that's going to help. Then 6 to 12 south of that, Sanford, Sebago, Lewis and Auburn, Augusta, Bangor. 3 to 6 south of that where it's going to mix with rain, and also obviously you have that east wind coming in from the Gulf of Maine here. That marine layer is going to try to come in just a bit. You see those wind gusts as we get into Wednesday night and Thursday. Follow along here. Notice we go up to the 40 and 50 mile an hour range. That's the reason, because we're going to have the power outage threat. But the reason the wind's going to go up is this storm is going to pull east of us and become vertically stacked in the atmosphere. It's going to become stronger as the storm pushes east. That's going to bring that wind to come in and give us that power outage threat with that cement-like snow on the limbs and on the lines. So there you go, wide range of the snowfall amounts. I showed you where the highest are going to be, but even at 6 inches of snow of that kind of like 5 to 1 ratio, 7 to 1 ratio snow is definitely going to bring down some limbs and lines. I've gone ahead and just did a hand drawing of where I think right now the power outage threat is greatest. Once again, Carabasset Valley, even towards the Central Highlands a little bit, southwest interior, White Mountains, heading back to the lakes region of New Hampshire, Sebago Lake in Maine. And that's when the storm is pushing away, so watch out for outages. More updates on the social media. I thank you so much for following along and being part of the community.